Seeing is believing.
This is a fantastic opportunity to own a single-family home under $1.2 million in the desirable hillside community of Foothill Ranch. This is Matt Morissette with the Morissette Group. Let's take a look. Situated on a quiet interior tract corner lot, this home offers great curb appeal with a charming country-style porch, a perfect place to call home. You'll love the spacious open floor plan with abundant windows that fill the space with natural light. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home features a remodeled kitchen with granite countertops, a stylish backsplash, a graphite sink, brushed nickel fixtures, and recessed lighting. Downstairs is a family room with a median nook, 2 secondary bedrooms, and a fully remodeled bathroom. Custom upgrades include a freshly painted interior, new neutral carpeting, tile and upgraded laminate flooring, plantation shutters, upgraded baseboards, an updated AC compressor, faux-wood blinds, PEX repiping, and an attic fan. The primary suite features high-volume ceilings, a walk-in closet, and a remodeled bathroom with custom tile flooring, dual marble vanities, and a custom walk-in shower enclosure. The backyard is a private retreat with a covered patio, dining area, and raised planters, perfect for a victory garden. Walking distance to shopping, dining, and Whiting Ranch Wilderness Park with a fabulous mountain biking and hiking trails. Hurry on this one, it won't last long at this price.